Good day! My name is Maegan Boncacas.
And I am Alonica Caseñares, third-year students of Amando Coffee College. Words are important as well as powerful, yet our thoughts will not be delivered as how we want it to be without sentences. Repeating over and over again the same name, place, things or ideas will not give a good effect for our readers or our listeners. So, correct sentences with proper use of pronouns can make our ideas more clear. Today we are going to discuss about pronouns, but I would like to focus on personal pronouns. And for the mastery of skill, my partner will give you a short quiz to test what you have learned. I hope that through this, I will be able to help you understand what a pronoun is and how can you use it effectively. First, let's define what a pronoun is. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun or another pronoun. As I have said, pronouns will give you to make your sentence avoid repeating the same words. This acronym will cater your need for remembering what pronouns can refer to. It can refer to a person, things, place, or ideas, or simply PTPI. I have here a sentence. Maegan visited Australia and she was impressed. In this sentence, the pronoun used is the word she, which refers to the noun Maegan. Now, the noun or pronoun being referred to is what we call the antecedent. Now, let's know more about the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns represent a specific people or things. Okay? Pronouns such as I, we, he, she, it, them, they, and us is what we call the personal pronouns. And these personal pronouns have a variety of forms to indicate different persons, numbers, and cases. It can come into the first person, second person, or third person point of view in singular or plural form. So let's have an example. In the first person singular form, we have the sentence, I hang out with my friends. In this sentence, we have the pronoun used, I. Okay, let's have the example for plural form. We have the sentence, we have a vacation in Las Vegas, Nevada. Next, we have in the second person in singular form, you make me happy. However, in this sentence, the pronoun used here is you, and we can also use this in the plural form. The example is, you are living. Now, in the third person point of view, we have the singular sentence. In singular sentence, he gave me red roses. Next, in the plural form, they went for a trip. So, personal pronouns can come in three cases, as the subject, object, and possessive. These are the example sentences. The first sentence is, he reads about Death Valley. In this sentence, we can see that the personal pronoun used is he, and it functions as the subject. And in the second sentence, we have Julie asked him about bags. In this sentence, we can see that Julie is the subject, and him, as the personal pronouns, functions as the object. And lastly, we have the sentence, Gerald bought his pen. In this sentence, we have the personal pronoun his, and it shows possession, meaning Gerald possesses that pen. Okay? And now, I will end my discussion here. I will give you my partner to give you the exercises to test what you have learned.
Hello! It's time for exercises to test what you have learned. I want you to have your pen and your notebook. So, what you're going to do is to identify the personal pronouns used in the sentence. So, number 1. My young volcano is famous for its perfect home. Number 2. That is their brook, not yours. 3. That is our clubhouse. 4. May found her ultimate dog. And the last, Alonica and Maegan finally finished their WebQuest. Now that you identify the pronouns in a sentence, we hope, my partner, that you can already apply it in the next time you make your own sentences. Thank you, until next time.